Wakalfatu Mako. Welcome back. I'm at Chipmunks right now. I'm here for Atumani's first birthday. It's Ian and Emmy's grandson's first birthday. Adam and Tana's son. It's pretty excited. Got more of my kids here. I dropped off my kids at the entrance, then I just had to go get a car park. So it's packed. People parking everywhere. There's no parking there, but car park there. Car park there. Pretty excited. Haven't seen Emmy and Ian for a while. Probably since Adam's 21st, so can't wait. Alright, we'll see how it goes.
I'm going to keep my children simple because before the 10th day, so them to play and eat. I'm talking on behalf of me and Anna, and standing for the Shire Coffee. Thank you all for coming here today, celebrate our son's first birthday, Atumani. Really appreciate everyone who played a big part of his life up to the years of 1 year of age. Really appreciate it. It's been a tough, long journey with this little man. We managed to pull through it and go real fast. So we fly off to the island of Niue. That'll be a big thing. Also, thank his godparents, Ben Jace and his family and Papa, and also Atumani's Papa, Papa here, and Snella, he's with us in spirit, never forgot, and we're very sick. Also, Atumani's grandparents, mom and dad, supporting us a lot tonight. But we will talk long, so we're gonna cut it there for the kids, and get straight to playing and eating. Again, thank you everyone for coming. On behalf of me and Dana and the family and Atumani, we really appreciate you. Big love and Batu, and thank you.
Thank you to the parents for giving me this opportunity to say something. Atumani is my first child, so I'm very proud to be his godparent. It's always a blessing to see our little ones grow up. So first year old is a big milestone for him. I know he doesn't really know it, but for us it's a pretty big milestone. And wish you all the best, Atumani. May God always look after you and bless you. Thank you.
Always to know. Always to know. Always to know. Amen.
Amen.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Atumani. Happy birthday to
We thought it's especially wonderful. Loves happy feet so much, so that's what the theme is today.
happy. And I hope that you have a wonderful birthday. And to pro ini pro dia ni sus game the grandparents atau ini Niue nè Hồng ngồi lên. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Thank you.
Already set to go?
Yep.
Oh, yo. Thanks, brother, for this opportunity. Yeah, this is Atumani's first birthday. Wish you all the best, son. You're very spoiled. You got a lot of uncles and aunties there to look after you. So, yeah, all the best. God bless and birthday, son.
Birthday, Atumani, we love you so much. We wish you joy life friends. Thanks for such an awesome party. Love you, heaps, son.
Bro, happy birthday, Atumani. Mum and Dad, well done, and thank you very much for inviting us to come and celebrate. Beautiful day.
Happy birthday, Bunny. You'll probably see this when you're older.
Oh, you got hot.
And I wish you all the best. Wish you all the best, and I hope you have a awesome day. Love from all of us. Jazz, Jaya, Jane, Simon, Trish, and all of us. Much love.
You, bro. John, thanks for coming this morning. Atumani's birthday. Kita tahu Monday hari. Taking back to Niue. Sometime with us. He'll be back. Hello, you John. How day? Day lang Atumani. Wala yan tua. Atam Thailand. Dia juga family baik wah. Pada zaman baik Niue. Lahir ngon áo tầm family đây tầm rồi grand original right đây ở Phúc lên của giờ cô kia đã đây family này đây một tao nào đấy với nhau tốt làm tốt đi không về đi tốt đây nữa bring more look at the camera then you stay you don't really one thing
Thank you.
Hey, Atumani, man. We off the 53, man. Happy birthday. We off all of us. Love you, man. Anything you need, just let us know. Hit up your dad. Your contact message. Love.
Any words for Atumani? Any well wishes?
Oh, that's money. We love you. Happy birthday. Thank you, John. Thank you, everybody. Love you. No, no, but John. Okay. Thank you to everyone who came. All the love goes to family and friends who are here today. Happy birthday, Atumani. Mommy loves you. We all love you. God bless. Oh, happy birthday, Atumani. God bless and love you. Thank you. Oh, John. For Niue and all Niueans in New Zealand. To my godson, Atumani. God bless you. We love you so much. And this is one of many birthdays to come. We love you. Thank you, John.
Always good. Adam, any words for your son? See this in 3 years' time.
Happy birthday, son. Love you, heaps. Wish you well. Uncle will always be here. Love you always. And your dad, I love him too.
Hi Atumani, happy first birthday and hope you have a great day. Lots of love from me, TK and Uncle Willie from Niue. Bye.
Happy birthday Atumani. I'm your cousin. So, yeah. My name is Chucky. Chucky Komali. Wish you. Hello.
Uncle Richie.
Okay. Wow, they
Hey, happy birthday Atumani. Love you, bless you, always be a good boy. Safe travels to Niue and awesome day, thank you. Yeah, boy.
Osi, ahone. Thank you, Uncle Ian, Auntie Emmy, cousin Adam, and Tana. Thanks for the invite. That was an awesome party. Short, sharp, hard and fast. I think everyone's left, but we're still here. I think there was a 21st going on. But yeah, that was cool. Awesome to catch up with the Niue family. Got that Niue vibes. Because yeah, my family, we're New Zealand born, my siblings, but when their family come from Niue, it's just a nice feeling, a different feeling. More connected to the motherland. Atumani, ke monuene aho whanau hao. Looking forward to see how you grow up. Great things ahead for you. And wish you all the best. Yeah, you can tell I'm in South Auckland. Got the sirens going. Oh yeah, we're off. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Ke monuina. To Philadelphia. Tolkia.